Unfortunately, the report that we are launching now, pointing global trends of forcibly displacement worldwide, and it's the 12th year of an increase in this figure. By December 2023, states are mentioning that more than 117 million persons were forcibly displaced. This means that 1.5% of the humanity is uprooted as a consequence of gross violations of human rights. So this is a world record. It's a sad record. So we are now today marking the World Refugee Day to make a call for a stronger alliance for inclusion and protection for refugees around the world.